Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect a keyboard to your iPad Pro M5. Well, here I have the Apple keyboard, which is the official keyboard for an iPad. So it has these 3 pins that you use for connection, and basically all you have to do is magnetically attach your iPad to the back side of the keyboard like this, and it will be connected automatically. As you can see, it sits right in, and from now on you can start using it. Basically it does have a touchpad, or a trackpad rather. Now if your keyboard supports If your keyboard has a USB port or is connected via USB and it supports USB Type-C connections, you can also attach her to the USB Type-C port of your iPad, and it will also instantly connect to it. Now, the third way that you can connect your keyboard is by going to Bluetooth, putting your device, your keyboard into the pairing mode by selecting one of the Bluetooth ports on it, and then finding the keyboard in the other devices section once your Bluetooth has been turned on, and then you just have to tap on the keyboard on the list, and this way you will connect it to your iPad. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.